Imagine stepping into a confined space. Everything seems fine, but a hidden danger lurks. A toxic gas that you can't see, can't smell, and it's almost undetectable. This is hydrogen sulfide, a deadly gas that can strike without warning. But what if you were equipped to recognize, avoid, and protect yourself from it? What if you had the knowledge to save a life? Introducing the Hydrogen Sulfide, or H2S, awareness course by OSHA Outreach Courses. In just 9 minutes, you'll gain the knowledge to understand the risks, identify the signs, and most importantly know how to act when H2S is present. This is more than just an overview. This course walks you through what hydrogen sulfide is and how it's formed, the dangers of exposure even at low concentrations, the critical symptoms to recognize before it's too late, the personal protective equipment required to keep you safe, and the right emergency steps to take if you or someone else is exposed. Hydrogen sulfide is colorless, but it's deadly. It smells like rotten eggs, yeah, but that's just the first sign. Exposure can dull your sense of smell and quickly lead to eye irritation, headaches, dizziness, or worse, unconsciousness, brain damage, or even death. Because H2S is heavier than air, it settles in low areas. And if it's ignited, boom, the fire flashes back to the source, making it not just invisible, but potentially explosive. Before you even consider entering a space where hydrogen sulfide might be present, you need proper protection. The right respirators, such as self-contained breathing apparatus or airline respirators, are essential to ensure you're breathing clean air. Your training must include fit tests, medical evaluations, and understanding the emergency protocols. In case of exposure, the first thing to do is ensure your own safety. Remember, if you suspect hydrogen sulfide is present, you must wear proper respirators and never attempt a rescue without the proper training and equipment. Here's the response protocol. Ensure your own safety first. Call for assistance immediately. Wear your respirator before entering the danger zone. Move the victim to fresh air and begin CPR if trained. Get professional medical care as soon as possible. This 9-minute course isn't just about information, it's about action. By completing this course, you'll be able to recognize the risks of hydrogen sulfide exposure, safely protect yourself and your team, and act fast to prevent injuries or fatalities. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate which serves as a proof that you're prepared to deal with dangerous workplace hazards. Don't wait for the danger to find you. Be prepared. Click the link in the description. Enroll now in hydrogen sulfide awareness and get certified in just 9 minutes.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.